Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss the future of Goldman Sachs as announced by its CEO David Solomon. On Tuesday, Solomon said that asset management and wealth management are the growth engines of the bank after his efforts in consumer finance haven't gone as planned. He declared that the company is now the fifth biggest active asset manager in the world and expressed his goal of making the firm more durable and secure in the coming years. Furthermore, regarding the future of the retail banking sector, Solomon showed some signs of uncertainty. He mentioned that the bank is considering strategic alternatives for its consumer platforms, which could lead to a retrenchment from retail banking or just a restructuring of its bilateral agreements with Apple and General Motors. Regarding the bank's 2025 break-even target for its money-losing Platform Solutions division and the 15 to 17% return on tangible equity target, Solomon further voiced optimism on achieving the long-term goals. Additionally, Goldman has announced plans to find buyers for a portfolio of consumer loans created by the now shuttered Marcus Loans business. Moody's analyst David Fonger commented on the situation by saying that most of the firm's initiatives are making good progress. However, achieving profitability in consumer platforms and cutting costs by $1 billion are necessary to meet the medium-term targets. To sum it up, Goldman Sachs is currently in a state of flux with its retail banking sector as CEO David Solomon considers a variety of alternatives for the future of the consumer platforms. Nonetheless, despite uncertainty in this area, the good news is that the bank's core businesses remain strong and its strategic initiatives are still making steady progress. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.